I've started a new endeavor of making and launching rockets. And as a first step, I've started making water rockets. For the past couple of weeks, I've made a considerable progress. What you're seeing now is the first water rocket that I made. It is ready to be launched. Hi everyone, this is India Rocket Girl, and today we are launching water rockets. Major components required for launching a water rocket. First, a rocket made out of soda bottles. Second, a launcher to hold the rocket. Third, air pump for pumping air pressure. Fourth, pressure sprayer for filling the water into the rocket. Fifth, parachute for safe recovery of the rocket. And this parachute will be deployed using an electronic mechanism. This is the brain of the rocket. Let's see the rocket launch. I've placed the rocket on the launch pad. For safe recovery of the rocket, I'm placing the parachute in the rocket and switching on the deployment mechanism. Here, I'm connecting water hose for filling the water in the rocket. This is a pressure sprayer. Using this, I'm pumping water into the rocket. Only 1/3 of the rocket should be filled with water. Here, I'm using air pump with pressure gauge for giving pressure into the rocket. For this launch, I gave 80 psi. This is the final launch. This is launch 2. This is launch 3. This is India Rocket Girl launching rockets. I'll be doing more videos on this going forward. I'll explain in detail how to make the rocket and the parachute deployment mechanism. See you in the next launch.